Times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Times like these, I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Always know we need you, Lord. And the first I heard that this 100 song, low again. Them breed up the shot of them, now we have a lot of them. Press up pack up so the grave them a go pack of them. Them broke the national bird wing. Sell we out clean, me no think we want a goddamn thing. Jump rock, why you giving in to the trick where them a trick you from the beginning? Parents, we need to wake up from this slumbering with children blood. And in a times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Times like these, I really wish they were around, Lord. Shouldn't have to be like this. But Marley, we know you never die in vain. We are gonna rise again. Yeah, what we have to do? So yeah, we have to go do that now. Yeah, we have to go do. Make me use the fist, hold the bell, beat promise till it swell. Nobody now go hear if you no yell. Listen when them tell you about the buckets where go well. Black command put on your baggy, that's something they no fi sell. So we get fi know say society couple. Ask them who put a crab in a barrel. PM opposition who no done with the quarrel. Unite come together, teach Jamaica how to chill. At times like this, we're missing our heroes, Lord God. I really wish they were around, yeah. Shouldn't have to be like this. Marcus Garvey, we know that you try your best, but we have to go through the rest. In a times like these, oh dear. Times like these, shouldn't have to be like. Whoa, 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 way. I the first my heard that this line. What we have next? Big up yourself in a King Shango. St. Mary come at town. Always never be afraid of changes. Just make sure you know where you are changed from too. So we notice that from what day the man them get big, so not chop off woman head and chop up children if them did it too. And me I said, no sir. I know Jamaica, that's what me know, Jamaican man not chop up them woman and them children. Something alright. And then when me look deep into it, me I see the woman them kind of guilty a little bit, because guess what? We get greedy about your woman. And start pressure woman when they not can't afford to give what we want in the new year and the new sitting them. We are run IG. See? The man them have to do all kind of things and pressure themselves to satisfy with. Because if they not give what we want, we all give them bun. And we have a society where defend that. If him not give you nothing, burn him. Skin out your pom-pom and get way. Cause I feel and the man them can't deal with bun well. So me I say black woman, we not big up man, we beat woman and abuse woman, but we are say as woman we need to look in ourselves and look how we are treat we man them too. Jamaican man go under enough pressure boy. I mean I stop defend Jamaican man. I mean I say all real woman defend Jamaican man too. I know say Jamaican man and no rapist and no murderer and no levels like what we see a go on boy. So no matter come empower Jamaican man for turn demon and then I come cuss them about it. We quarrel and we fight and we make it up tonight and baby born. And the Jamaica they mean no. Run it. We quarrel and we fight. But we are going to make it up. If you know so you love your woman, Jamaican man. Yeah. Me and my love are just always a fight. But you know we fed up. Pull up that I'm sorry. I come talk about Jamaican man a murderer. We call Babylon will fight, but we're gonna make it up tonight. I love you, baby. Yes. Me and my love one just always a fight, but him know how we fed up, they make me smile get right. War and him left and not come back till later, and they you was with a bunch of the nicest lovers. Even though me vex till me blood a boil, one look below the waist and me humble like a child. Can't help it, me couldn't hide the feeling. Plus in my children with them more sweet talking, you know me now go. Now me just want to hold you down. Him take one go put on. And before you know it is another baby. You know me not gonna knock you down. Now me just want to hold you down, baby. Him take one go put on your top. And before you know it is another baby. This is the thing about a quarrel. It's when everything not work out right. But if you got anything like me and for me babes, even when me just done my listen for days, and I swear say me I gonna left him not change him tricky ways. We love for one another, make everyone amazed. The children believe in everything he says. We only going through a phase, so come tell me sorry stop. You know me I gonna knock you down. Now me just want hold it down, baby. Instead go and go put on your tongue, baby. And before you do it, it's another baby. Then women are going to now me just want to hold it down, baby. Instead go and go put on your tongue, baby. It's another baby. A real man, so me not to run in bed. Now a T-boy can't come in and be bed. Even if you are real, see we are argue. Whoa! Look at that. Next track. Are you sexy, sir? The wife has feed him right. She don't give you no grease. But like you not feed him no grease. Yeah, him look right. Black woman start feed him man right. Tell him to stop drink rum. When see Jamaican man a come in a 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Jamaican man a long rider. I want to go on boy. What's wrong on drinking? Alright. Black woman, hold on there a little bit. You can't just sing black woman, so I will if sit and go on in a social media. You see two little beautiful black woman sit down there, so one big up on a beautiful black self. Hear that? Yeah, nobody watch it half black one them. Yeah, cause some people love run with things so them here and love chat up them out like them know where them are say. But true we know who we be and where we do things for. We want to say to Jamaican black woman say, don't become the only woman that only defend the rights to skin out yourself and roll around and ground and act nasty. But become the black woman who defend yourself as black woman and know so you're worth more than skinning out your vagina and rolling around on dirty ground. Every time you go out in your clean clothes, you end up back and go home dirty from rolling around in a pee-pee and all kind of beat your crutches with black and a turn out yourself and people a jump off and a jump down in you and a treat you like I say you want piece of meat. While people turn on them phone and watch you roll around a ground, black woman, stop it. Don't empower them to keep you as the slave or the slave. Hear me I say, pay attention to where going. As Jamaican people, black woman turn dog boy. Them a treat we like meat. And then have we a fight about who brown and who black and who blue. While every shade of black woman still under the struggle and still being treated as a slave. If we not show them say we are queen, them are going to have we a fight over who we be. Pay attention, man. Pay attention, man. We soon dead and gone, you know. And the new one, them will come, them a lesbian and so whole heap or something, so them for their message shrouded. Lightning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Black woman turn dark, something really wrong. Negativity I push down, you're really strong. It's like black woman no love themselves no more. She says she don't mind being called a whore. No black woman, roar. Black woman. Roar. I know one bubble around distract me here tonight. Roar. Listen to me again. Black woman turn dark, something really wrong. Negativity I push down, you're really strong. Black woman no love themselves no more. She says she don't mind being called a whore. No, black woman, what up you and black woman? Are you and the mother of the earth, black woman? Yes, I sell you out, black woman. Yes, black woman, you're worth more. Them only want you wine and catch up and broke and buckle. Back it up and chuck broad out like roast up. Tell them you have more body parts and don't just under you. Now no right for rape you, kick for drape you. Don't allow them to strip you naked. That flower that you have is a naked. Let's trade it for no fish and chips. Point your fingers to the skies with a pretty girl. Protect your rapper-pum. Rapper-pum. Black woman, protect your pum-pum. Rapper-pum. Rapper-pum. Black woman, protect your pum-pum-pum. Rapper-pum. Rapper-pum. Black woman, protect your pum. Rapper-pum. Yeah, boys. Been used and abused by so many before. We own black brothers and raping us some more sisters. Rise above your circumstance. No cock up like no dog in a no dance. Black woman, you value more. Enjoy yourself, no but no lose. Now make them take you for no piece of meat. Look how you're sweet. Tell them certain things you just not gonna do it, but take your papa. You know why that was? She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Blair. She always, always, always play hard. She tougher than a rock. I tell you she's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Blair. Always, 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 always. Yeah, yeah, protect your papa. Black woman, protect yourself. Black woman, protect. Yeah, black woman, protect yourself. Yeah. All right. Yeah, the new Jamaica, yeah, bother me. I see a lady on TV one night in the news near Miss Langmore. That's all I remember. Her last name is Miss Langmore. She's a senator. I mean, here she made the mistake and say, ganja contribute to crime in a Jamaica. And tears drop out of my eye if you sit down in a Jamaica and hear somebody from the government say, ganja contribute to crime. And when me look and see say, you have a grabber ward up at Chest Hospital, have a grabber ward up there. And when you go up there, be a young people from age 20 so, full up in there, with tobacco and mash up them chests, and alcohol. And you are going to look from people who know say, a ganja keep the youth them head meditated and level. That no more bloodshed than what go on boy and now go on boy. And we have a Jamaica where it's all right now to blame weed from what go on in our country. And Jamaican people still in a deep sleep. You know, so I'm not even about to sing Coconut Shell tonight. I sing one more song and come off a stage. Real Jamaica in here, because I not sing for no foreigner, because I no entertainer, you know. Real Jamaica in here. Because the foreigner them come to Jamaica to come here. Real Jamaica, you know. So I not like that switcheroo something when I see a go on. in a Jamaica, you know, so me now sing my song them if real Jamaica no in here, you know. So them talk about legalization of marijuana. But through them want cut out the poor man wherever go to prison and get kicked down and shoot down and gun down. Through them they want them to get nothing. Them say, yeah, me know no ganja link to crime, so we can't give you no license. Be a crime, you gotta do it, use it though. But a big neck boy from nowhere just fly in and I say, Jamaica, mad you know me know. I be a business down at Jamaica, make we fly in, you know. Ganja license I give it down there. All who say ganja for legalize right across Jamaica. I want to see every hand in here in the sky if you agree with that. Run it. Alright. Bounce it low. Walk one. I know we this, I know we this, I know we this. No man, I know we this, I know we this, I know we this. Never talk about smile for me, Jamaica. Not even God we not tweet for. Remember we just escape Maria and Irma, and all we do is increase murder. Right now we show up on the radar. Like say Jamaicans are pagan, but me can't bet you anyway in the world we are the nicest human. So big up to the Yo, at the new Jamaica we are address. Some want it bunks, but we are sending it out there. Walk one, I know we this, I know we this, I know we this. No man, I know we this, I know we this, I know we this. Them a talk about smile for me, Jamaica. Not even God will not do it for. Remember we just escape Maria and Irma, and all we do is increase murder. Right now we show up on the radar. Like say Jamaicans are pagan, but me can't bet you anyway in the world we are the nicest human. So big up to the Trenchtown heroes. That's why all of we feel you. We just need to increase more pandas. Me know it's would have sweet you. Low. Mr. Prime Minister, Jamaica's cutest leader. The people them send me to you, sir. Them have a gully for you jumping. Right now somebody need to save on ya. I know IMF and them not trust China. Plus they had the one them before they that save we for long, but we not really sure from what, so we a ball. One. I know we this, I know we this, I know we this.